Check it out, guys. M5. This is what it sounds like before we do a muffler delete on it. You guys ready? Go ahead. All it's got done to it right now is it's got a set of Evolve high flow cats. That's it. Again. Your sound decibels. Again. Right at 95. Again. Oh, when he do it again. So it hit 102 earlier. Okay. So we'll let you guys hear it after we do the muffler delete on it. Stay tuned. 2013 BMW M5. He brought us an M6 2 weeks ago, and now he brought us an M5. And then 2 weeks later, he's gonna bring us an M3. Huh? No, he's bringing an M3. He doesn't have an M4. I know. Anyways, what we got done on this beautiful beast, we'll let you guys hear it before. So it's got the Evolve high flow cats up there on each side, right beside the motor. Then 3-inch pipe, 2 factory resonators right there, factory X pipe right there. Then continues 3-inch pipe over and out, all over this contraption all the way around. And then we added 3-inch pipe instead of the 2 mufflers there and right there. And he brought his own tips, and we put them on, quad tips out the back. There'll be a link for the tips in the description. Right there and right there. There's the 2 stock mufflers that were on it that we cut off. There and there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. He's going to put it in sport mode for us, guys, so you can get a better sound out of it. It's got that barbell now. Yeah, that's so much better, dude. Here's sound decibels. Yeah. Yeah. 114. This sounds so mean. Beautiful. Go ahead and back it up. M3 next. I think the M3 is your This sounds so much better. Look. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Give us a good launch. Let's see.